All right. Defund the police. You might as well defund the fire department. Man, we should defund that fire department. Those guys are racists. The chief of the fire department. Oh, and the chief of police. That's our word. I'm a little tall here, aren't I? If I back up. There we go. Okay. How you doing? Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. The podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. And we were just talking about this, what's going on in Minneapolis. They want to defund the police. They think the police are racist or something. Defund the police. And then I was saying, what's next? Defund the fire department? Oh, we'll send a social worker. Social workers, because they usually solve problems. Guy calls 911. Officer, show up. My wife, she's gone crazy. Take 4. Hello, 911? Yeah, please come right away. My husband, he's going crazy. He's beating me. What? You defunded the police? Why'd you do that? Oh, you're going to send a social worker? Oh, okay. That'll be fine. All right. They're sending a social worker, honey. All right. Keep beating me up. All right. That's kind of dark. They want to defund the police. They're going to send social workers instead. I bet you the social workers are freaking out right about now. They're like, what? What are we going to have to start doing? They're going to defund the police and we got to pull up the slack? That's the plan in Minneapolis? You're going to have social workers pulling people over for DUIs. Get out of the car. I'm a social worker. What's next? You're going to defund the fire department? Those guys are racists, man. Fire is racist. Okay. So today's OJIBWE word of the day. Dekonawe winini. Policeman. It comes from the word dekon, which means to hold. And at the end of the day, that's what a policeman is. He's somebody who holds you in their heart. And sometimes in their jail. Dekonawe means to arrest. And then dekonawe winini is a policeman or a hold man. A man who holds you. Until you can get bail. Until you can see the judge. Here comes the judge. The court's in session. The court's in session. Here comes the judge. Here comes the judge. All right, so what do I want to talk about today? Should we talk about politics? What do you think? Should we defund the police? Should we defund the fire department? What else? Defund the garbage men. Those garbage men are racist. Why has it got to be garbage men? You never hear about a garbage woman. What about all the strong and independent garbage women? We should defund the garbage men. And we'll defund the plow guys. Those guys are racist. No more police. No more firemen. No more garbage men. No more plow guys. What else are the actually only really essential workers? The plumbers and that. The people who keep the water running. Defund plumbers. These guys are racist and sexist. How come all these jobs are dominated by men? When's the last time you saw a female plumber come to your house, huh? Racist or sexist. Everything is sexist and racist. I've had it. I'm going to go on a march. I'm going to trash your house. I'm going to trash your store for justice. No justice, no peace. That's what I say. No justice, no pizza. We should ban pizza. That's racist too. It reminds me of Columbus, who was Italian. And so, no more pizza. We should tear down the statues of Papa John. Okay. What else? What else can I be outraged about today? I think that's it. All right. So, Dakota Way Winini, policeman. And my cousin's on the police force here in Bemidji. And he pulled up the other day and I had to make all kinds of jokes. But gee, the family's just proud of him. And I had another cousin, he used to be the chief of police in Bemidji, Tom. And I don't know, man. In our family, if you get a job as a cop, you know, that's pretty cool. I mean, we also have robbers in my family, and we're not so proud of them. So, anyway, I support our police. I don't want to defund them. I say we give them a raise. Those guys got to put up with all kinds of nonsense. And, yeah. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. And with that, I'm just going to say thank you for watching. Get up in the evening and I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning, I go to bed feeling the same way. I ain't nothing but tired. Man, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Hey baby, I could use just a little help. You can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Message keeps getting clearer. Radio's on and I'm moving around the place. I check my look in the mirror. Wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face. Man, I ain't getting nowhere. Just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere. Baby, I just know there is. You can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. You're sitting around getting older. There's a joke somewhere and it's on me. I'll take my world off my shoulders. Come on baby, the laugh's on me. Hang out right in this town and they'll be carving you up all night. They say you gotta stay hungry. Hey baby, I'm just about starving tonight. I ain't looking for action. I'm just trying to write this book. I need a love reaction. Come on, give me just one look. You can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. You can't start a fire
worrying about your little world falling apart. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark.
GOFUNDME. Minowa. Oh. Defund the police. Thanks.